Good morning and welcome to the next episode of Travels with Bert from Songkhla Province. At the moment we're climbing up Koh Hong Hill. That's something special I want to show you when we get to the top. But before we do that, let me talk about yesterday evening, because I showed you the view from the Lake Inn Hotel looking across the lake and all the shipping. And at about 10 o'clock last night there was a huge roar of engines. And one of the ships decided to move away, but it made a hell of a noise. The whole building was shaking. As you can see here, it's just moving out. And it kind of went backwards and forwards for a few minutes and then came back and docked again, which I thought was very bizarre. And after about another 2 or 3 minutes, it left again. And that was it. So I guess they forgot to load the beer or something like that. So as we turn right here into the parking lot, you'll see what it is we came to look at. I'm hoping that since it's early morning, we'll be the only ones here. No, I'm wrong. And there it is, that strange structure is what we came to look at. So what you can see here is something with the complicated name of Pramaha Chedi Tripod Trimonchon. It's generally known by the somewhat simpler name of stainless steel Chedi, or even just Chedi stainless. It was built to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the late king's accession to the throne, and was completed in 2549 Buddhist era, which is 2006 Common Era, or our era. Apparently the construction took just 160 days, which is rather impressive. And as we wander around, you can see that the bottom level of the Chedi has round doors. And I must confess, the first time I came here, I assumed they were just windows, and I could see there were people inside, and I couldn't quite figure how they'd gotten in there. But apparently you just walk through the window. And it seems that there's one for every day of the week, which means there's 8 of them. Wait a minute, that's not right, is it? But then this is Thailand, remember, so strange things happen in Thailand. And what you discover here is that there are 2 doors for Wednesday, one for Wednesday morning and one for Wednesday afternoon and evening. And I think you're supposed to walk through the one that matches you the day of your birth. So I was born on a Wednesday, which means I have a choice. Do I walk through Wednesday morning or Wednesday evening? Anyway, if I don't come out alive, you'll know I walked through the wrong one. And as you look around inside, you can see there's 2 spiral staircases, in stainless steel, of course. One is for up and one is for down, and yes, they are labeled. So let's take a look at the next level. Going down is going to be a definite challenge, because as you can see here, there's almost nothing to hold on to as you go down the spiral staircase. Anyway, I'll give it a try. Phew, well, I survived, but not without smashing my head a few times, because it's also very low. So I think that's about it for the stainless steel Chedi. We'll head back to Bert and we'll see what else we can find for today. So for now, it's goodbye from him and it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.